Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today. Request more information and set up a test drive right away. The Chevy TrailBlazer is among the best of the truck-based midsize SUVs. It's capable of hauling heavy loads or negotiating rugged off-road terrain. Yet it's also smooth, comfortable, and civilized. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, auto-off headlights, power driver mirrors, security system, child safety locks, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.